This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, September 14th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a disturbance moving through the northern tier of the country. This will bring a frontal system through and a disturbance very late tonight into the first part of Monday. But for most of the day today, we'll see mostly sunny skies with an increase in clouds from yesterday, where we had little if any cloudiness. Highs today a bit warmer, highs in the middle to upper 60s across the state. But as I said, we'll have a system moving through late tonight into the first half of Monday. Could still see some lingering showers in the afternoon hours across our eastern counties. Temperatures will be held down in the eastern counties, maybe low 60s, upper 50s, middle to upper 60s in the west, where it should clear late in the day. Tuesday will be a repeat of today, with highs mainly in the middle to upper 60s across the state, maybe some low 70s in our southwestern counties, with plenty of sunshine. Wednesday, a disturbance may spark an isolated shower in our southern counties, otherwise partly to mostly sunny skies around. Highs mainly in the 60s to lower 70s across the state. The winds do start to switch around to the south here on Thursday as the high pressure is off to our north and east. And this is going to start to open up the Gulf ahead of the next storm system that'll be off to our west. And you can see as we move into Friday, it's really going to gather strength. Showers, some thunderstorms possible moving into the western counties by Friday afternoon. And this will sweep through the state Friday night and into Saturday as well. So unfortunately, next weekend, Saturday could be the worst of the 2 days, where a cold front comes through, showers and storms. It's too early to determine if we could see severe weather with this system. We'll watch it in the next couple of days. Highs will remain mainly in the 70s at this point. You can see that system moves off to the east by next Sunday, and then a ridge begins to take shape, and this is going to be seen for quite a bit during our extended period. And with that, you'll see the frontal system is moving off to the east, fairly dry from the state westward, system moving into the west coast of Canada, and the cold front to our south and east and across the Gulf Coast. And then as we go into the extended period on September the 25th, well, there's that ridge, as we mentioned, over the central and southern plains and the central and southern Rockies. We have slight northwesterly flow with a big trough over the New England states and a big storm system up in Labrador moving up in toward Greenland. That's going to keep a lot of cool weather in the northeast and eastern Great Lakes. Around here we should see seasonal readings in the 70s or so across the state. The end of the forecast, September 29th, that ridge is still hanging on across the Rockies and the High Plains. Cutoff low moving into California, another cutoff low over New England, so kind of an omega block pattern. And with that, we'll have the storm in New England that could produce some snow in the higher elevations there, with a cold pool of air there. But around here, we'll see maybe a shower or two and seasonal readings if this is right. Satellite image from last evening, we had one storm system moving off the coast with some showers and a few thunderstorms along it, a couple of high clouds over the south, and a couple of clouds across the northern tier of the country as well. The watch morning map from last evening, we had flash flood watch around Wilmington, North Carolina, down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, frost advisories in western North Dakota and northern lower Michigan, and some excessive heat warnings and heat advisories across southern California. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here will be fairly light, maybe a quarter of an inch. Some places may get less, some may get more. The heaviest will be across the Gulf Coast, where we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain there.